We're taking off to the left.
Middle rates, high rates. Danger, low battery. 6 minutes, 56 seconds, 8 volts. Danger, low battery.
Oh, it's not reading its cell. Damn it. I'm coming low from the left.
Gear up. Danger, low battery.
I'm gonna have to go by timer. It's not picking up one of the cells.
Danger,
That's the
low
bad
battery.
battery I think I have. Like,
Danger, low battery.
one of the balance ports won't read out one of the cells. So
Danger, low battery.
I keep getting this low battery alarm.
Danger, low battery.
Let me,
Danger, low
let
battery.
me turn down the volume on this.
Danger, low battery. Low battery.
Okay. Are we doing?
Low battery.
Are we doing like a counterclockwise right now? Let's do counter. No, I just want to make sure we're on the same. Okay. Let's just do counterclockwise.
That's just like major turns that you need more throttle to kind of overcome, right?
Where are you at? Oh, there you are. I'm gonna come up behind you. Oh, you're cruising right along.
Low battery.
There's a lot of action out here today.
Danger, low battery.
2 days ago. So Eric, it was 29 years ago today that I got my
Danger,
private
low
car.
battery.
Oh, wow. You have to like renew it? Is there 29 years?
No,
Low battery.
that's for life.
That's cool. Because you have to renew FPV, or you have to renew Part 107 every few years.
Well, I have to renew my instructor license.
Low
Oh,
battery.
okay.
It's a written test just the same way.
Yep.
Your Primo is in my gun sights.
That's better.
What was wrong?
Oh, well, the camera was just dark. I now have to lower the D again.
I noticed you got like a freestyle tilt on the camera too. Like how
Low battery.
Actually, the lens is not tight enough,
Low battery.
so it's falling a bit.
oh, is it?
Yeah.
Sinking it out.
Low battery.
We're on race.
And yeah, I need to lower the D again.
Low
I'm
battery.
gonna land and lower the D. Defense.
Danger, low battery.
How were the whoops?
Awesome. We had a great time.
Danger, low battery.
We had 9 of us.
Where do you find those?
At my house.
Danger, low battery.
I had this whole course set up.
Are the D-brains allowed and stuff like that? Or is it
Low battery.
Well,
It's informal.
it's informal, but mostly we people are doing the
Okay,
Whoop pluses
clear.
or the regular Whoop.
Low
how's
battery.
that D-brain on
It's like drinking and flying.
Yeah.
But we had this like really awesome course, and we also did Whoop soccer again.
How do people do that tunnel?
It was pretty fun. Basically, we had a fan blowing through a big tunnel, and it would like accelerate you to double your speed.
Nice.
But people weren't like crashing out of
Low
it?
battery.
Some people were. Yeah. It wasn't
Did you
fully.
test it before the whole
Yeah.
thing?
I tested it because when I was trying to go at an up angle, it wasn't working well. But when I put it straight on,
Oh, so you were flying up or down?
no, we did it straight on.
No, like you were flying uphill or downhill? 'Cause it looked like it was a slot, like
Low
downhill
battery.
slide.
No.
It was level?
It was. I changed it to be level
Low battery.
because.
The picture you showed looked like the fan was going to blow you sideways.
Low battery.
Yeah, I switched it to be level because going
Low battery.
going down or up was problematic.
Danger, low battery.
Yeah.
Frank, I'm gonna land the next
Low
round.
battery.
Okay.
Getting ready to land.
Where you coming from? The left?
I'm gonna come left or right.
Okay.
Landing.
Low battery. Danger, low
I don't
battery.
know. This thing feels very much like a Happy 5-inch.
Danger, low battery.
And I say heavy 5-inch, I'm talking like my Alien freestyle, not like my racing quad, which has a lot more pickup.
Like power to weight loss.
Yeah.
Low battery.
That.
Danger. Low battery.
But it feels totally good.
Danger. Low battery.
Yep. Come over the field, low from the left.
So you see at the end, you watch my OSD?
Yeah.
When I do this, see how it kind of drifts a bit at the end?
No.
Oh, I'll do it again.
1 minute.
I'm not watching this.
Oh, at the end of my roll, you see how it kind of like,
Oh, I don't know if that's you or it.
it's it. Like I'm back to center stick and it's doing that. I'm not trying to compensate.
Low
Did you
battery.
raise your eye turn or something?
Yes, I think so.
Danger. Low
See how
battery.
it kind of drifts
Yeah. Your eye.
at the I turn?
Yeah, I turned to hold.
Low battery. 1 minute.
I know.
7.7 volts.
7.7 volts.
Danger. Low battery.
Oh, there's a Mustang. So your Mustang is pretty fast, man.
Danger. Low battery.
You've heard a Rolls Royce 12-cylinder in it.
That thing's cooking.
A
Low
Merlin.
battery. Danger. Low battery.
These are so quiet, man.
Danger.
You got those
Yeah.
elliptical wingtips too.
Danger.
The Zero?
Yeah.
Yeah. Got the curved wings.
The Zero is like real maneuverable and it had like no damage protection.
Yeah, it was just like it was like a
It got shot up.
it was like a paperweight. Oh,
It was a suicide machine, man.
Still doing it a little bit.
And at first the Zero was like killing a lot of American pilots, but then the Americans figured out how to deal with it.
oh yeah, the Hellcat came out.
Yeah.
The Hellcat, it was taking care of the Wildcats, and then the Hellcat came. Well, and the Corsair too. All right, I'm gonna come in low from the left, and then I'm gonna go back to the left to land.
Low battery.
Do a gear check.
Gear down. Danger. Low battery.
Gears are down.
Does it
landing
verify that all three are down? Like, I know it's saying geared down because you hit the switch, but is there a check like it won't say that unless all three are down and locked?
No.
It's not
Yeah,
that
no.
sophisticated.
No, the tail wheel stays down though.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that one doesn't retract. All right, landing from the left.
I'm going to raise my
Low
P a bit.
battery.
Is that your on-off switch?
Eric, after this, can you launch me again?
Yeah, sure.
Danger. Low battery.
Do you have an on-off switch on your
Danger. Low battery.
Oh, that's not what I want.
Danger. Low battery.
On the field.
Low rate. Danger. Low battery. Danger. Low battery. Danger. Low battery. Danger. Low battery.
Okay, clear.